wherever truck racing goes, it brings in big crowds. And if you have big crowds, you have a good marketing platform and an opportunity to develop and to market your product. A lot of people are watching you. The eyes are on Tata because you're doing such a fantastic job. I'm impressed with what I see. Congratulations to Tata.
We believe that it's a very fantastic initiative that has been started by Tata Motors.
This truck race has already changed the drive of so many drivers.
जो एक इंडस्ट्री थी, जो कम्युनिटी थी ड्राइवर्स की, जो बिल्कुल डेड थी, उसमें एकदम जान आ गई है.
So I think it's a fantastic program. For the sport to thrive in India, in any form of it, whether it's single-seaters or truck racing or rallying, you have to have Indian drivers. You have to have local talent that people can relate to, the media can relate to, the public can relate to.
टाटा ने जो किया ड्राइवरों के लिए कोई नहीं कर सकता.
खुशी है टाटा मोटर कम से कम मौका दे रहा है.
फर्स्ट टाइम हो रहा है. शायद किसी ने ड्राइवर के बारे में सोचा है. मुझे नहीं लगता कहीं और हुआ.
कि उन्होंने आज हमारे अंदर ये जगाया कि ड्राइवरी भी एक अच्छी चीज़ है.
कोई आगे पूछता है कि आप इतने बड़े लेवल पर गए हो, तो आप तो गूगल पे आपको सर्च करते हैं, तो बहुत बढ़िया. ऐसा सोचा नहीं था कभी ज़िंदगी में इस लेवल पर हम पहुंच पाएंगे.
पहले दुनिया पूरा मेरा नाम सुनना है. नागार्जुन होने से ट्रक रेसर.
There is not a single driver development program globally that's as comprehensive as the T1 PRIMA Racers program. There is nothing that anywhere comes close to this. It's the best program in the world to train drivers.
Ingenious effort on the part of Tata Motors, because nobody had done this before, and I would say that there's a great potential, because now they are even trying to develop Indian drivers.
We are here showcasing those technologies to prove that the trucks that are manufactured using the same system as what are featured on these trucks today are incredibly safe and reliable.
Fantastic feeling to be here for the second time in India. You know, to race at this circuit is a fantastic feeling, and to win again for the second time is undescribable. It's like going into the mouth of a lion. You know, the roar is absolutely fantastic feeling. So very happy.
I think what an end. I mean, you can't get a better event than this. People have started saying that they've enjoyed this more than F1 and are talking about this as a T1 circuit rather than an F1 circuit. That says it all.